Y'all know some of y'all need this. Y'all know y'all unsure. It's the Teletubby walk for me. She go to Walmart. She go to Walmart. She go to Wally. Where? Wally. Hey y'all, we at Walmart. Y'all know we love Walmart. Yeah, we be thugging it out in here. Come on. Oh, they cleaning some car. Oh, security. So Stanley got a security company and they got a carpet company?
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Okay, Stanley. All right, y'all. What we finna get for the 5 fingers in Walmart? Money. I don't worry, cause you're mine still. It is packed in here on a Wednesday at 12. Oh yeah, that's right. And some biscuits. Right here, down this aisle. Lisa, say hi. You about to eat some cube steak.
Blue bag.
Blue bag? Here's a blue bag. Grams.
Oh, they different. They're more like homemade. The other one. Let's say something different.
Lissy, look at mommy. What's your plug? Look at that pretty baby. Say hey y'all. Yeah, hey y'all. Come on. Hold on, let's move. Yeah, girl. Hello. Yeah, girl. Hold on. Let me get out the way. Let everybody away. Okay, so we got some different biscuits, babe?
Well, they're the same ones. They just feel like stuff like this. They were always.
Well, you know, everything is cheaper now. Like, it's more expensive, but they make it cheaper now. Because of COVID, you know?
So.
Ooh, hold on, babe. This looks wow. Oh, champagne.
What?
Cheers. Because I'm about to be at 100 subscribers. Okay, babe. Okay. Y'all, I'm talking too much, and Rob trying to shop, so I'm going to be right back. He said I can keep going. Okay, I'm going to keep on going then. Okay. I'm not worried because you're mine still. She go to Walmart. She go to Wally. World.
So we do have 2 Pizza Hut, right?
Yes, sir. Y'all hear that? Respect. Yes, sir. Anything else, boo? Oh, we need those paws. That's what you want to get?
Yeah, sit down. I want you to think for a minute.
Oh, God. Well, hello.
Oh, you're not doing it.
I mean, we can if you want to. My arm getting tired holding this camera. I bet you I'm finna put it down.
Okay. Dishwasher stuff. Where is it?
She go to Walmart. She go to Wally. Where? Wally. Y'all know some of y'all need this. Y'all know y'all unsure. What you got here? Okay. Yes, babe. Dang. We going at. Talking about the green tea? Yeah, it's old. It's really getting old. Why one look more light skinned than the other one? I don't know. Just look.
What's this the way to? Oh, we ain't had one of these in a while. These two in.
What? Oh my God. Oh, we call them RC, baby.
Royal Crown is the name of the company.
Oh.
Used to be. Somebody bought
So y'all got y'all some facts today. Okay. I need me something to drink, babe. Turn to the right.
Right?
Yeah. No, keep going. All the way down, then turn right again. She go to Walmart. Oh, Walmart. Oh, Walmart. I just want me some grapefruit juice. You know, regular schmegular grapefruit juice. Yup, gotta get your cereal on deck. Ew, babe, gross. Rice Krispies. Heck to the no. Nobody eats those, babe.
I do.
Babe, but you got 2 different cereals no one eats.
Huh? You gonna eat Raisin Bran?
No.
I'd rather have these than the Raisin Bran.
I'd rather have Raisin Bran.
Well, get them. Yeah, what you gonna get? What y'all gonna get? Fruit Loop?
For the kids, I'll get Trent.
He probably love Fruity Pebbles. That's what I used to
He
get.
don't like Fruity Pebbles, babe.
No?
No. He would much rather just have his little crunch.
Fruit Loops.
Those, just the regular crunch berries.
Don't you never bought them those?
I know.
You ought to try it.
But then what if he don't like them? He don't like his food getting soggy. They get soggy fast.
They don't. Okay, we'll get these.
All right.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Come on, Elise. Come on, baby.
Elise, this way. Come on.
Let's go. Come on. Uh-oh. Well, those are so cute. Wait till my little baby can fit this kind of stuff. It's over with. It's over with. Hello. It's the Teletubby walk for me. Oh my gosh, you so white. You okay? Dust it off. Dust it off, Ladybug. Say, I'm okay.
Which one you want, babe? Which one you want? We got a little pink one in there somewhere. They used to have a little pink one for the girls.
28-inch mirror at Walmart for $20. That is so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna get it though. Walla 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 world. Walla 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 walla. She go to Walmart. She go to Walmart. Walla 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 world.